to the channel. I know I look really messy and distressed. So in the times that we are facing right now, we're locked down in our own homes. We can't go out. We can't really do much, but one thing that you could really do is take care of yourself. You could take care of your health, you could take care of your skin, and certainly take care of your hair. So today I'm going to talk about hair care. Um, the reason I decided to do this video now instead of looking all pretty and all glammed up is because I needed to wash my hair. I have super greasy scalp and super frizzy dry, and so I wanted to fix my hair. So I do this almost every week, or once in 10 days. So I'll tell you what are some of the things that you could do to try and fix your frizzy dry hair. The number one thing is a hot oil. I love using this parachute hot oil. It's really good. But it's for dry hair. Oh, मैंने पढ़ा भी नहीं था, but it's for dry hair. Um, it really works. The other thing you could do is a regular coconut oil. Um, this is a cold pressed almond oil, badam ka tel. I get it from the market near where I live. This is also really good. And today I'm going to do a hair mask. So like hair conditioning. This is by Joeve's. It's an argan oil hair spa mask. It's a conditioner. You could use any conditioner, but I prefer using a conditioner that comes in a tub. There are so many options available out in the market. So what I'm going to show you how you could use it. I'm gonna wet my ends right here. I'm gonna wet my hair and I'll be right back. Wet my hair, as you guys can tell, if you can tell. Only wet the ends since I have long hair. So I wet my hair from where I would do a ponytail from. Pull up your mask and you'd apply it on the ends. It's not very easy to sit down and do this, but apply this conditioner, very liberating. So try not to be a little confused here, please. It's good with you doing it for your own hair, not for somebody else's hair. So depends how thick or thin your hair is. You would need it accordingly. There we go. There are lots of ways you can do this. The best way to do it is in the bathroom. Definitely not while you're sitting in. No, definitely not while you're sitting. You go to salons and you get hair spas and whatnot. You could do that also at home with a hair dryer. Okay, hair dryer ki setting on a low speed, like on a cooler low speed, you can do it. And what that does is it opens up your hair, like बालों में heat जाता है, so अंदर तक आपको nourishment मिलता है. Okay, the most important tip here is to not apply conditioner on the top right here, on the scalp. It'll make your hair super greasy. बहुत ज़्यादा greasy हो जाएंगे बाल, and even after you wash it. So do not apply conditioner. Even when you're taking a shower, even when you even if you're just, oh God, even if you're just washing your hair, the shampoo and conditioner, never apply conditioner on the scalp. It's just gonna make your hair really greasy. Okay, but when you're applying hair oil, any hair oil, yes, of course you can apply it to your scalp, but make sure to rinse it out properly with the shampoo once you shampoo. Okay, my hair is all greasy and sticky now. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna tie it up because I'm just gonna be running around a little bit with my little one since he's awake. And that's it. The best time to do this is overnight if you can. You can put this in your hair, leave it overnight, cover your hair in a hair the little cover ups that you have for your heads. that you can cover it up and put it out in a bun, cover it up and go to sleep. Or we could leave it in your hair for at least an hour or two. The minimum you should do is at least 30 minutes. I'm gonna try and keep it on for at least 1 hour. Let's see how it goes. And then I'll take a shower, wash my hair and whatnot, and I'll come back and show you what I did and what all products I'm gonna be using. All right, bye. Hi guys, I've just had a bath, just taken a shower. I washed my hair. Uh, Wash your hair as you normally would. I'll tell you the shampoo that I use. I've been currently using this by L'Oreal. What is it called? Hair fall resistant. I'm not sure if it even does anything for hair fall, but this is the current shampoo that I am using. Okay, but make sure you shampoo your hair twice because you need to get the conditioner out of your hair, because obviously the conditioner was built up on your greasy, dirty hair. That's why you need to get it out of your hair. After I've shampooed my hair twice, I conditioned my hair again. I took a little bit of this conditioner. I rubbed it on my wet hair in the shower. I left it on for a couple of minutes while I cleansed my body. I scrubbed my face and whatnot. So I washed that out also. But the tip here is to not wash the conditioner out 100%. Leave it at least like 10 to 20% of conditioner still left in your hair. You'll be able to tell your hair will be a little slippery. You'll be able to tell that you have a little bit left, but most of it is washed out. So that's done. So I've only towel dried my hair. It's still really wet and drenched. I'm not gonna blow dry it since there is nowhere for me to go. I'm just at home all day. I'm gonna let my hair air dry. But while my hair is still wet, I am going to put this hair serum by Streaks in my hair. This is gonna keep the flyaways, the frizzy hair at bay. Just a little bit, you don't need so much. Just 2 pumps on each section. Again, make sure not to put the serum on the scalp. Upar nahi lagana hai, otherwise the hair is gonna get really greasy. You don't want that. So 2 pumps, 2.5 pumps on one side and 2.5 pumps on the other side. Just rub it in. It smells really yummy. Wow, it smells really nice. And that's it. That's all you have to do. You're just gonna let your hair dry, and that's it. You can even blow dry it if you want. I'm not going to, but you can. I do it sometimes if I have to go somewhere. I would do hairstyling if needed, but like I mentioned, we're in a lockdown, so I'm just gonna let it air dry. Once it's dried completely, once I've brushed it out and all, I'll come back and show you the final result. Also, a little tip here is to not brush or comb your hair when your hair is still wet. Zyada टूटते हैं बाल. Avoid doing it until unless you have like a wet brush. I don't have it. I've never really thought of using it because I'm really picky that way. But if you do have it, you have a wet brush, go ahead and do so. But I prefer to have my hair dried out completely before I use um, before I brush my hair out. So once my hair is dried, I'll come back and show you the final step, the final result. And you guys can show the before and after, see the before and after also. So bye for now again. Alright guys, I am back. I have my hair completely dried out. It's quite late now. I think it's about 5 o'clock. I washed my hair at around 10:30. No, I don't remember. Around then, 10:30, 11 this morning. Alright, anyway. So there you are. So I'll put a snippet of before and after, and you guys can tell obviously the major difference, how my hair is all smoothed out. You can see a little bit of texture or a little waviness, but that's just how my natural hair is. And I had pulled my hair back in a little clip also. I brush my hair with a big fat paddle brush because it's just a lot easier, less breakage, and it's just a lot faster. And that's it. Can you see the before and after? I haven't done anything with my hair. No style, no straightening, no blow drying, nothing at all. This is how it's supposed to look after you deep condition your hair. So you can do this once in 10 days, or however, once in 2 weeks, whatever works for you. You guys figure that out for yourselves, of course. But in between, since this is a long process, putting conditioner into your hair, leaving it up overnight or for an hour or so, you can put oil in your hair. Make sure to do oil massages into your hair. It's really, really good for you. And before I say goodbye to you, I'm going to tell you guys to be safe, stay home, take care of yourself, and be happy and healthy. Take care. Bye.